by him.
La giornata di oggi
a portion of that text and entrusts it to the young.
Kum Shibanta Jong Wei Neg Jingrakhe can Maburam ya Jingdap Kabashis Patsnem Jong Jingai Lenti Banai Jingshakri Haka Kamukunran Kum Ki sister Haka Palang Catholic Shiganatan Chatei Lamingi Jongari India I sister Chiara Kazola Ibede Superior General Bahakli Du Jong Ki sister na Jingas Lok Reuniam sister ka FMA Laneg daughter of Mary Help of Christian Ilawan Yukjat and Nongpoh Shillong Banwan Jongo Barwan Pet Yagi Kanhun sister Celestian Jong Jingas Lok Kikun Udon Bosco Haki Jela Chatei Lamingi Jongari India Ya kene jingwan Yukjat Jong sister Chiara Kazola Hajala Meghalaya Lapenlong ya jingilang kabapo kabaping ha auxilium convent nong thamai hene gasngi kata ha khandai tere kunai lor arajar arfulai Kajian selok reuniam sister FMA hakine jela Chatei Lamingi Jongari India mentak ladap shispa snam nadu bakiwan Yukjat nengkong haus nem cihajar khandai spa arfulai bat hadu kine gisngi bamenta Ha ketika jingai lenti ke basis pak snem lane ke centenary jubilee jongga FMA nagalyang jong sister Celestian kila penlong ya ke jinglekmen ha phalau school jongga auxilium ha ke bai sister Chiara Kazula ilalong kumikongsan ha ke balai don langru ikong Isa Wanda lalu IAS ibide director ka youth sports affair bat ikong RM Kurba IAS ibide deputy commissioner ka East Khasi district kum kisembut kongsan Shushu hakti Jingrakhe ke basis pasnem lawan ban saki dagi babon ki sister bat ki khana school na Nongpoh Shillong ki balawan bani shimbanta kentup de ya kiwe ki nongwani shimbanta na ka than Chatei Lamingi Jongari India haswa ban sedang jong ke jinglang kaladun ke jingkentiu ya kalama dap sis pasnem dai sister Chiara Kazola
Thank you. It is also with great joy and reverence that I humbly acknowledge the presence of respected Mother General, Reverend Sister Chiara Kazola in our midst, who has come all the way from Rome to grace this grand occasion and to give her blessings to the centenary observation. Mother General's role in helming a worldwide congregation across more than 90 countries and in leading a work of service, education and development for youth worldwide is a source of inspiration to all of us. Thank you, Mother General, for your presence, and we welcome you and everyone to the rolling hills of Meghalaya and the beautiful city of Shillong. I also take the opportunity to greet and congratulate this revered institution of the Reverend Sisters of Don Bosco, or FMA, for attaining this milestone of 100 years of service rendered to this region of the country. Indeed, since the arrival of the pioneering sisters in the year 1923 until today, the Salesian Sisters, also known as the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, have been committed to the sacred work of educating children of all ages, of lending a hand to those in society most in need of help, and in supporting women in vulnerable conditions. Indeed, in our state alone, the services rendered by the sisters in the field of education remains almost unparalleled.
History of the Salesian Sisters of Don Bosco. For a century now, your dedication has been a beacon of hope by your tirelessly work to uplift the underprivileged and marginalized in our society. We have gathered here to convey our heartfelt appreciation, especially to the 6 pioneers for their significant contribution, particularly in the field of education and developmental work. The Salesian Sisters of Don Bosco, following the footsteps of their founder, Saint John Bosco have played an instrumental role in transforming lives of countless individuals, especially the less fortunate. Their commitment to education is nothing short of inspiring. They have established schools and institutions across the country, providing quality education to children who might have otherwise been denied of this opportunity. The impact of these schools resonates in the lives of their students, many of whom have gone on to achieve great success and contribute positively to the society. Furthermore, the Salesian Sisters of Don Bosco have been at the forefront of developmental work for the underprivileged. Their commitment to the community development, vocational training, and women's empowerment has been exemplary.